Today we're going to be looking at the Ifixit application that is free to download from the Microsoft App Store. Ifixit is an online guide that talks about almost every single thing that could possibly be fixed, from PCs, cameras, electronics, appliances, and vehicles to media players, Mac, apparel, etc., etc. So for example, let's go to PC and see what we can find under what category. Do we want to fix a PC laptop, a desktop, or a netbook? We'll say I'm having problems with the desktop, and we'll say it's an Asus desktop. There's no guides for this yet, but you can add one or see if they can add one or ask some questions to actually get them to add a guide. But let's say Dell, and we'll say we're going to look at the XPS 720H2C. So as you can see here, it tells you how to do card fan replacement, memory module replacement, sound card replacement, cover panel, graphics card, and hard drive. So pretty much everything seems to be the essentials of knowing how to repair your computer. But we'll say how to take the cover off. So for example, if we do click this, it'll say step 1, remove the cover panel aside from the computer paneling and on the ground. And then it shows the picture of guidelines. However, if you notice, it says step 1, so that means there's only one step. Then you go back, and you could go back and choose between other things that you would like to fix. So for example, we'll go back and I'll say there's a game console I would like to fix. And we'll say my Microsoft game console is a little bit problematic about my Xbox. Here you can find out the Xbox teardown, hard drive replacement, hard drive management, motherboard replacement, another teardown, power board replacement, and disk drive replacement. So we'll say I want to replace the hard drive. There's several steps to this process. It's an easy difficulty. Make sure your Xbox is safely unplugged and is laying down. Unscrew the screws. Make sure you get all the screws. Once you get them all, take out the cover, and it shows you exactly how to replace the hard drive. And it says remove, do not pull the wires that may damage your cable. Yes, you might have to pull the plastic instead of the cabling, so be careful of how you do that. Ifixit is a good way to actually see if there's anything you can fix, or maybe something you want to fix is actually on here. It's a manual, a guide, and something that can help almost everyone with some everyday tasks or some complicated tasks. So if you're having a problem and Google can't seem to help you, give Ifixit a try. It might actually benefit you in some kind of way.